The bilateral milestones that India and Nepal have achieved were recently recognized by both sides in a virtual conference organized for Nepal's reconstruction post-2015 earthquake. Nepalese President Bidya Devi Bhandari and Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar presided over the meeting. India, which committed $1 billion assistance post-earthquake devastation in 2015, has reiterated its position on further enhancing its efforts to secure a better life for Nepalese citizens.
Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, while addressing a virtual international conference on Nepal's reconstruction, said that New Delhi was committed to bringing health and happiness to the lives of all Nepalis who were affected by the massive 2015 earthquake. Jaishankar said the targets achieved so far were substantial. The construction of 50,000 owner-driven houses in Gorkha and Nuwakot districts under Indian assistance has been completed.
Over the last 5 years and more, India has substantially fulfilled our commitment under various priority sectors identified by the government of Nepal. I take this opportunity to share we have completed construction of 50,000 owner-driven houses in Gorkha and Nuwakot district under Indian assistance. The projects in remaining sectors of health, education and culture are also under progress. Government of India is funding reconstruction of 70 schools and a library, 132 health facilities and 28 cultural heritage sector projects in various earthquake affected districts of Nepal under a $150 million grant with the estimated cost of $112 million.
He also congratulated the government of Nepal for organizing the event, which he said provided a platform to deliberate upon the lessons from the 2015 earthquake. He also emphasized that India's development cooperation with Nepal is multifaceted and multidimensional and has stood the test of time. Addressing the event, Nepal President Bidya Devi Bhandari urged everyone to protect the country from disasters and thanked the international community for the help extended at the time of crisis.
नेपाली जनतालाई उक्त पीडाबाट बाहिर निकाल्न अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय समुदायले खुला हृदयका साथ हामीलाई करिब $4.25 अर्ब डलरको वित्तीय एवं अन्य प्राविधिक सहयोग उपलब्ध गराउने प्रतिबद्धता व्यक्त गर्यो, जुन हामीले तय गरेको भूकम्पपछिको पुनर्निर्माण तथा पुनर्स्थापना कार्यको कार्यान्वयनका निमित्त कोसेढुङ्गा साबित भयो। अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय समुदायबाट प्रतिबद्धता अनुसारको अधिकांश सहयोग प्राप्त भइरहेको सुन्दा मलाई अत्यन्तै खुसी लागेको छ।
India had pledged $1 billion assistance to Nepal post the havoc wreaked by the 2015 earthquake. Since then, it has been vigorously working on multiple projects in order to provide a better and dignified life to citizens who were rendered homeless due to the tragedy. While millions of dollars flowed in under international assistance to provide rehabilitation to thousands who were rendered homeless post-disaster, the Indian contribution in the rebuilding exercise has been instrumental. New Delhi, which is involved at several developmental fronts with Nepal, including those of developing railways and laying of gas lines among many, has committed to assist Kathmandu at all levels in order to provide additional impetus to the decade-old partnership between the two.